Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do these soft glamorous curls. You can do them super quick. So if you're interested in learning how to do it, keep on watching. So before we start the whole process, I want to explain something behind it. So basically the behind the scenes. So when I washed my hair, I put some leave-in conditioner at the end to detangle the hair. I used the Formula 18. I have the shampoo and the conditioner and I do not recommend it. Although the mask is awesome, the shampoo sucks. So I don't recommend it, but I do recommend the Formula 18, which is awesome. Once I put everything there, I brushed it. And then once I blow dried my hair, I used, I'm pretty sure everybody knows about this. It's called the Silk Therapy Bio Silk. You can get this at Marshall's, TJ Maxx. You can order it on Amazon. You can get it anywhere. It's super cheap. I have the price here. I think it's like $8, but it leaves your hair looking super shiny. You see, I already put it when I blow dried it. So that's basically the little behind the scenes. So now let's get started. So first things first is I use my wet brush. It is awesome. It's an awesome detangler. So I'm gonna brush my hair and make sure that there's no knots. So I don't like to use scrunchies to dip out my hair. You know how you'll tie this one and start here? Why? Because it gives you like a little mark. So I bought these little clips. I don't know if you can see them. They're awesome. I got them I think on Amazon. I'll let you guys know. I'll link it down below if I can find it again. These are super old. So once you part your hair into two, we're gonna start by dividing it and pushing one back. What you're gonna do is you're gonna divide this again. You're gonna pick like a little piece from the back. The bigger the piece, the more natural it's gonna look. But I'm gonna do it a little bit smaller since I have a lot of hair. I'm gonna use this strand, brush it again. So once you have this little piece, I'm gonna take out my wand. I have the very thin one. The thicker the better, but I don't have that one, so I'm gonna use this one. And I put it in the highest degree. For this one, it's the 400. So you're gonna grab your wand and you're gonna do it outside, you see? That's how you want the curl. Leave it here for a little bit. You don't wanna leave it for too long, because if not, it's just gonna get like too curly. At first, you're gonna think it's a Shirley Temple curl, but it's not. Don't worry about it, it's gonna cool down. So let's do that, and then you're gonna take it out. See, it's like a little curl. I always put it so it's not too high. I like it more on the low. And this is the back of the hair, so it's good not to have the curl to here. So we're gonna pass our fingers through it. Now we're gonna grab a different piece. Leave it for a few seconds, okay? You see? I have so much hair, it's just incredible. Like, and I lost a lot of hair. When I lost a lot of weight, I actually lost a lot of hair. But Jesus, I still have so much. So when I go to do my hair, it takes me forever. Repeat, repeat, repeat. So I don't know what's happened, but when you start doing these type of wand curls, basically you start going outside, but then you start going inside. And it doesn't really matter. You can do both. It's just very confusing. I've probably done it already, and I haven't even noticed. You can see we have them on here, but they start clumping together until we brush it at the end. Since this is the front, this is the pickiest part I think for most people, because you don't want to look like you have a curl right next to your face. So I still split this into two, and I go even less time because you don't want it to be that much of a curl at all. Curl. Now just stretch it back. And they look best when it's been like 2 hours and they start really calming down. This part, do it very gently. I didn't learn how to do this this till I was actually way older. I was never one to do a lot of hair. I was more into makeup. And then as I started getting older and I dyed my hair for the first time, I got really into doing hair. So now just put everything together. You're gonna think right now, oh my god, I have so many curls. No, you don't. So you're gonna bring it to the front, try pulling them down. They look semi like a lot, and then just brush it. Okay, now that you pull them down, you're gonna bring them to the front. Once you bring them to the front, you're gonna see how dramatic they look. What you could do is that you can grab these two front ones and always try pushing these the most down. So you have these wavy slash curls, which is the point when you use the wand. I don't like simply doing Shirley Temple type, so I do these, and you can always put them to the side. So basically this is the end result. I moved it to the side because I like it more as like a side look. They look super natural, you know, somewhat curly. And basically, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Any doubts you have throughout the video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and click on the subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.